Hey everybody, welcome back to Kicking in the Second Half Kish YZ. I have for you another Shooz episode. These are the Adidas Rivalry High. These are like the Star Wars edition in honor, I think it said, of Episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back, the Chewies, the Chewbaccas, you know what those are. So let's get into it. I did cut open the box so I could just go straight into it. I kind of know what the box looks like a little bit because of the internet, but it's the first time seeing it in person. And these are cool. Look how that's presented. I'll probably make it in the thumbnail anyway, so you've probably already seen that, but this box is extra neat. It's like unwrapping a Christmas gift, I'll tell you that. It's like, wow, this is dope. The box here, this is the back of the box, to be honest. It says 40th Empire Strikes Back. So there it is there. There's the sticker. There's Chewie himself with the utility belt, which is going to be part of the shoe as well. Chewbacca right there. Like I said, this is the back of the box with that see-through panel. Look at that. Look at the Chewbacca fur there. And here is the shoe label. My bad. Is that how that works? Yep. So let's see the colorways of it. No, I'm not even going there with that. But let's see here with the Adidas logo and the Star Wars logo. What a cool collaboration. This box itself is really cool. Sorry, I don't keep up with the Star Wars, so I can't name you off these characters here. But feel free to leave in the comments the name of these characters that you see on the box here, please. You know, let me know. And nothing on that side of the box. So that's cool. It even has like this, you know, punch out here, like when you hang something up in the store, like it's a basically like it's a toy, like you hang it up on the wall there, and here's the box. I think that's really neat. So let's see how to open this thing without tearing it open. So okay, it looks like you open up this area here, and it's a slide out box, but I gotta flip it upside down to the back of the box so I could slide it out. And it comes all the way out. Something just dropped out. Let's see what that is. Whoa, Chewbacca, Chewie. I guess it is a poster. That's cool. Look at that. Wow, that is something extra there. The Star Wars. Who that is? Please let me know in the comments. Who is that? Whose man is this? Somebody tell me. It's Lando. It has to be. Because he's black. I don't know. Y'all tell me. Anyway, Princess Leia and that dude there. Sorry, I'm messing this up. If you're a Star Wars fan, I'm sorry. You're probably like, man, what is this guy talking about over here? But anyway, here is the sneaker here with the Star Wars paper. So these are really, really cool. Oh, look. The sound I've been making or trying to make, it's right there inside of the shoe. Right there. One more time. That is cool. You know what would be cooler if they just went ahead and plugged in something that was battery operated where you could push down on a button on the tongue and it would do the sound for you. You know. Just an idea. There's the inside. It looks like Chewbacca, and it's got the Star Wars and the Adidas crossover logo. Chewie's right there on the tongue. Look at that. That is cool. So cool with this belt, the utility belt that I was talking about. The laces are tucked in. You get these brown laces here, so that's cool. All of this is just the fur. Oh, you get the Star Wars clip here on the shoestring. The bottom there, let's get that in there. That is cool as well. And then all of this fur here, and that fur is really soft. This faux fur that they're using here. Anyway, let's give it a spin. Yeah, sorry, these are not part of the $100 and under shoes that I've been working on getting content out there for people who are looking for cheaper shoes or back to school shoes, things of that nature as far as giving you more of an affordable look. These ran for $150 and I actually had a coupon from Adidas for 20% off, so I got them, I guess, for about $120. But I did get these directly from Adidas's website. So if you go there, they have like a restocking. I just looked before the video. They have some more sizes. My size in particular, they have like 2 more pairs, it says. But they look like they almost have all of the sizes up to 13 available at the moment. So, you know, definitely check that out if you're interested and get a pair. So, and then, yeah, also check out the Shooz video for under $100 if you want to check out those segments. I'll put it up here in the corner of the screen for you to click on. And once again, if you're subscribed, I appreciate it. Please share the video. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And leave in the comments if you would want to cop a pair of these shoes. And here's the bottom here. That is dope. Please also leave in the comments things that I'm missing with this shoe. I'm just showing it off. I'm not giving you very much detail as far as the story crossing over with this shoe outside of just... it's Star Wars and it's Chewbacca. That's all I know. Wow, this is cool. This is, okay, so this is the other sneaker. And there's this plastic bag in here. And it looks like it's the, I might get this right. Sorry, is that the Millennium Falcon, I believe? Or the Death Star? I don't know what these are. It's so sad. It's terrible. It's terrible. Please don't kill me. What else is in here? What is up with this? I should just take it out, right? Let me just move it around. Oh, Chewbacca. Where do these things go? Okay, oh, they go in the shoelaces. They go in the shoelaces. So both of them say Star Wars because this says Wars and the other one said Star on there. And this one says Chewbacca, I believe. Are we getting some of that right there? But anyway, I should probably I'll just take it out the bag. I don't know why I'm fronting with this, fighting with the plastic and the lighting, but so here's the piece here. Not too hard to get out. And what do we got here? So yeah, it's a pretty detailed piece. Sorry, I'm not getting the proper focus there. That's a little bit better. And what is the other piece? I said it was Chewbacca. So there is Chewbacca there that you could swap out what you want on the end of your laces there to put at the bottom portion of the tongue of the shoe where the laces begin. So yeah, that's really cool. Really, really cool. That's the only difference I've noticed. It still has that right there, the Chewbacca sound effect. And Empire Strikes Back 40th on the inside of the tongue, I meant to mention. Chewbacca again on top of this tongue there. The utility belt once more. This is pretty awesome. So let me just give you a quick spin around here. So you can just see both pairs of shoes in hand. And let's do a spin around. So yeah, tell me what you think of the shoes. I particularly like these shoes a lot because of how different they are than traditional shoes when it comes to that extra texture. I mean, obviously, if you're a huge Star Wars fans, these are dope as well, just because of the crossover. But I was really attracted by this fake fur they have here. And if you're wondering what to wear these with, I mean, when I saw these, I'm thinking of a winter shoe for sure. I don't know if it's going to keep your foot any warmer than any other regular pairs of this type of shoe, of the Adidas Rivalry shoe, but you know, just wear it with some, you know, neutral colors. You got all kinds of browns to work with here, which is usually what typically people would like to wear as far as wardrobe pieces to proper go with the season of late fall, early winter. Like here's an example, you know, just throw in a long sleeve sweater of a brown, and then, you know, you go whatever color bottoms you want, jeans, denim blue, black, you know, khaki. You might not want to go khaki on khaki. Well, no, you know what? You could do all kinds of khaki. You could do different shades of brown because you've got like this dark brown leather here, and this faux khaki color there, and then this like bone brown here for the outsole of the sneaker, and you know, just all types of browns. So that's makes this shoe a utility wear to go with this utility belt for your outfits. But yeah, once again, you know, thank you for kicking in the second half Kish YZ. One quick spin around for the viewers here. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this content. Once again, please consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on for more drops. I have more sneakers to show y'all and review, and also some more back to school under $100 shoes to show you as well. So thank you, everybody. Peace and love.